possible causes for the child's death. Let's bring in Anahita Sedaghatfar, a criminal defense attorney. Dan Shore is a former prosecutor. Dan, I know that
the penal law.
And Anahita, the defense did not call a single witness to the stand. They challenged all of the prosecution witnesses pretty thoroughly, but they didn't put on anybody in defense. Is that risky?
Yes, John, I think not calling a single defense witness is not only risky, but it's extremely bold. But you have to believe that this was just a well thought out strategic decision by the defense. And I think the message they wanted to send to the jurors is that the prosecution has so utterly failed to meet their burden of proof that we don't even need to put on a case. We don't even need to call any witnesses. And certainly the judge will instruct those jurors that the burden of proof rests solely with the prosecution. The defense has no requirement to put on a defense. But having said all of that, John, I still think ultimately jurors want to hear from the defense. They want to hear from defense witnesses. They want to hear from defense experts. They want to hear the counter arguments. So I'm not quite sure this was the best decision in this case.
Let's talk about some of the evidence, though circumstantial, that the prosecution does have, Dan. Anahita says, she also Googled for information on potassium poisoning or pinworms and other things. Is that enough to bring reasonable doubt into the jurors' minds? It only takes reasonable doubt in one mind, really,
exactly,
to end at least in a hung jury and maybe a new trial.
It may or may not be, but the fact is I don't agree with the defense decision not to even call any witnesses to bring that additional evidence in. But I do agree with the fact that the defense did not put the defendant on the stand, because that too is a very risky move. And to put a criminal defendant on the stand, John, I think you only do that when you feel you absolutely have to. And when there is all of this damning evidence that the co-panelists just mentioned, we have that surveillance video of her walking into the bathroom with her son with that attachment to the feeding tube. We know the son got very sick right after that. And then you have the testimony of the friend saying that the defendant asked her to go and take that bag out of her house and hide it before the police got to it. I mean, she would get destroyed on cross-examination. So I actually agree with the defense not putting her on the stand.
Well, the defense has issued its final closing arguments. Prosecution arguments are up next right after lunch. We will continue to keep an eye on this case, let our viewers know what happened. Thanks, both of you. Anahita Sedaghatfar, Dan Shore. See you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.